Amazing facts about coral you didn't know. Marine invertebrates. Corals are marine invertebrates belonging to the class Anthozoa. They are primarily composed of polyps, which are small, cylindrical structures that form coral colonies. Colonial organisms. Most corals live in colonies consisting of many genetically identical polyps. Each polyp secretes a calcium carbonate skeleton, which contributes to the growth of the coral reef. Coral reefs. Coral polyps build large, complex structures known as coral reefs, which are some of the most diverse and productive ecosystems on Earth. Reefs provide habitat for a wide range of marine species. Symbiotic relationship. Corals have a symbiotic relationship with tiny photosynthetic algae called zooxanthellae. These algae live within the coral's tissues and provide nutrients through photosynthesis, while the coral provides the algae with protection and access to sunlight. Stony corals. Many corals are classified as stony or hard corals, scleractinia, which build the rigid skeletons that form the structure of coral reefs. Soft corals, alcyanacea, lack this hard skeleton and are more flexible. Coral bleaching. Coral bleaching occurs when corals expel their symbiotic algae due to stress, such as elevated water temperatures or pollution. This leads to a loss of color and a decline in coral health, and if prolonged, can result in coral death. Reproduction. Corals can reproduce both sexually and asexually. Sexual reproduction involves the release of eggs and sperm into the water column, leading to the formation of larvae that settle and grow into new colonies. Asexual reproduction occurs through budding or fragmentation. Growth rates. Coral growth rates vary depending on the species and environmental conditions. Some corals grow as slowly as a few millimeters per year, while others can grow several centimeters annually. Diverse species. There are over 2,500 species of corals, ranging from small, solitary corals to massive reef-building species. Each species has unique adaptations to its environment. Coral anatomy. Each coral polyp has a central mouth surrounded by tentacles. The tentacles contain specialized cells called nematocysts, which are used to capture prey and defend against predators. Temperature sensitivity. Corals are highly sensitive to changes in water temperature. They typically thrive in warm, tropical waters between 23 degrees Celsius and 29 degrees Celsius. 73 degrees Fahrenheit to 84 degrees Fahrenheit. Nutrient cycling. Coral reefs play a crucial role in nutrient cycling within marine ecosystems. They help recycle nutrients and support complex food webs. Human impact. Coral reefs face numerous threats from human activities, including overfishing, pollution, coastal development, and climate change. These factors can lead to habitat degradation and loss of biodiversity. Cultural significance. Coral reefs have cultural significance in many coastal communities. They are often featured in local traditions, stories, and artwork, and are important for tourism and recreation. Research and medicine. Corals and their ecosystems are valuable for scientific research, particularly in studying marine biodiversity, ecology, and climate change. Coral-derived compounds have also been investigated for potential medical applications, including treatments for cancer and immune disorders.